Hello, my name is Ali. I'm a technical solutions architect at Cisco Enterprise Networking team. In a previous demo, we have covered how to extend segmentations and policies between users at different branches over the WAN. In this demo, we are going to cover segmentations and policies extension from a user at a branch accessing a workload hosted inside data center. Say if a doctor wants to consult with a remote patient, the access network needs to authenticate them. The data centers need to allow them to access patient medical record data, and the WAN needs to provide them with the right equality of service to establish a secure channel. Once doctor connects to the network, his identity gets exchanged across all domains. Similarly, each application would have its own identity tag. Policies could be enforced at the data center fabric or close to the user at the access fabric. Let's have a look at the lab setup. We have three SDA fabric sites, SD-WAN as transport, and ACI as data center fabric. We will use fabric site 1 to simulate a doctor accessing his patient data record at data center. Let's first look into ACI tenant and then networking L3 out, where we tag each LAN subnet with identity named as external EPG. We don't see any doctor tag as the tag is not yet created. Now let's go to DNA center and create tag of name doctor. And to ease our observation, I'm going to change the default tag value to 333. Then we need to select the VN and propagate to ACI so we can consume the tag for policy enforcement either from ACI or SDA fabric. Now let's go to ACI. We can see that the doctor tag got created and ready to be consumed for policy enforcement. Till now, we don't have any learned IP with doctor tag as the doctor is not authenticated yet to the network. Now let's go to ICE and update the authorization policy with security group tag of doctor. Save. From switch side, first let's verify if CTS environment data is installed. Now let's verify the SGT value under the physical port where the doctor is connected. We see the value here is 1234 instead of 3333, and that is due to the old authorization result. Let's clear the access session and let the doctor authenticate again. Now we see the correct value of 3333 and IP address of 10.101.0.10. Now under ACI, we got the IP address learned under the doctor tag. Now let's try to establish a basic connectivity test toward the patient data record that hosted in ACI. We have two options to enforce policies, either from ACI or SDA fabric through the border node. For this demo, we are going to use DNA center to enforce the policies at the border node. Let's deny it and test again. Test switch. And now the communication got locked. Now let's go to the border node and check the communication policies. we see the communication is denied between Dr. tag and patient workload tag. Now let's allow the communication back and perform our last test. Save, deploy, and let's test again. And here we go. I hope it was informative, and I would like to thank you for watching.